Thank you. Madam Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Chief Justice, leaders of all political parties represented here in our National Assembly. Madam Speaker, I wish to congratulate you and the Deputy Speaker for being elected to your positions of leadership to lead this National Assembly in its work. I am humbled and honored that you, as members of the National Assembly, have, through your votes tonight, decided to elect me to be the President of the Republic of South Africa. Thank you very much. It is with pleasure that I accept. It will once again be a privilege and a pleasure to serve this great nation in the position of President. I accept this as a big responsibility, and I wish to thank all leaders for your congratulatory messages delivered here at this podium. Your messages are a clear clarion call for working together. Your messages constitute what I see as a well of encouragement, of good advice, and of wisdom. I will, Madam Speaker, spend some time to read all these wonderful messages that were delivered at this podium, because they are great messages from which I want to draw insights. I do believe that there is much that I can learn and glean from these messages. So thank you very much for your kind messages to all of you. Madam Speaker, I want to thank the members of this august House who have voted for me, who through their vote have invested and placed their trust in me. I intend to work with all members and indeed to work together with even those who did not vote for me or who did not find their way clear to vote for me. And this is their democratic right.